Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick, easy makeup tutorial for like every day. I wanted to put this out because I know a lot of people just started back to school and stuff, and I go back to school Friday, which is hopefully today, the day that I upload it, but it's a little later for me. I just wanted to show you guys what I do kind of every day for school, just because I don't have time to do a full face of makeup most of the time, and I don't really like want to because I have to wake up so early to go to school anyway. So basically I just wanted to show you guys what I do. No foundation routine, but still like kind of looking put together, stuff like that. So first I wanted to start with a primer water. I've been loving this one. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is the Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Priming Water. You know, honestly, I just use this for the smell. Do I personally think it does anything for my makeup? I really don't think so, but it sure does smell good. And it depends on the day, but which primer I'll use. You know, it kind of fluctuates back and forth, but I'm usually between this one or the other one, and this is the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. I like this one because it has a glow to it, but it's also a pore minimizing primer. It does have like a weird smell, but like if you get past that, it's like a great primer. So I have this one, and then I do have this one, which is the No Pore Bloom Primer. Covers your pores. It's beautiful. I love this one so much, literally so much. But today I think I'm going to go in with the Essence one, just because it does have that glow to it that the No Pore Bloom one doesn't provide. If you see this giant, horrible, like red splotchy mess, I burned myself with a curling iron. It never fails. Like, I know every time I'm like, be careful because you always burn yourself. But then I always burn myself. The Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer that lasts for 12 hours. And I have mine in the shade 010 Porcelain. I love this concealer, like, so much. So I just take that under the eyes and on the eyelids, just because I do have a little bit of pigmentation on the eyelids that I don't like there on an everyday basis. I'm just going to go back into the concealer now to spot conceal, because I do have a few blemishes and redness on my face that I do just like conceal on an everyday basis. For powder, I've been using this Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I do really like this powder. It does really mattify, so if you're not into that, then this probably isn't the powder for you. But also I'm just kind of trying to use it up. So I'm just going over that concealer on my eyes again, just because I don't want it to crease when I set it. And then just using the Too Faced to set it down. And that's the only part I'm really going to set. Well, actually, I might set just like with what's left over on the pimples. For eyebrows, I am going to use this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I have mine in the shade Neutral Brown. It's honestly the most boring part to me of makeup, but it's like also the most essential, you know? Like, I feel like a different woman with eyebrows. So basically what I'm telling you is I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will see you back in a few minutes. So I do like to add some bronzer to my face, just because like I feel like I look a little dull, you know, just gotta like spice it up with something. So I use the Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite. And I don't like to go like too overboard, just because, you know, like there's no other makeup. I just like to brush a little bit on, just kind of where I would normally do it, just not like as much as I would normally do. So for blush, I'm using the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach. I love this blush. It's my favorite. I don't use a highlighter normally on days where I'm doing like minimal makeup, just because this blush kind of like is a 2-in-1, because it does do a little bit of glow. Plus I already did the like glowy primer. If I do end up doing a highlighter on days like this, it's probably like a cream highlight. I do like the Becca Opal cream highlight, so I do that one sometimes. And I kind of like to brush it on my nose, just like to add a little bit more. For mascara, I will be using the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Wear Mascara. I really do love this one. It's the purple tube, and it's super inexpensive, and it does make my eyelashes look pretty decent. Like, for $4, I'm not gonna complain, you know? I don't usually do like a lip, like actual lip color, just because I feel like this is so minimal that I don't want to, unless it's like a gloss that has like a little bit of a color base to it. So that's kind of what I'm doing today, but this is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This does have like a color base to it, but it's also just like a lip balm, and it like really nourishes my lips and they feel really good while wearing it. So this is what I'm going to apply. And for school, this is just perfect because it gives me like a little something going on and a little shine to my lips, but like it's nothing I need to like keep up with, you know, like worry about throughout the day. Alright guys, so that was everything for my easy back to school, no foundation, no makeup kind of look. If you guys did enjoy watching, don't forget to give this a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do enjoy my content. If you do like videos like this, like less minimal makeup, or like if you have any video ideas for me, just let me know down below. I love to hear from you guys. I love to communicate and all that kind of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I hope you are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.